Hello guys, in this video I will introduce you to Slave DM tool. Slave DM helps you to send mass message to the targeted audience. Log into your IGburst account. Then activate the Slave DM on your Instagram account. Then, enter Slave DM in the left menu. In tab Target and Settings, you must search for the target accounts you wanted it. And you can select the speed and change the status to active. If you want to get more features, you can click on Advanced Options. You can specify the time at which you want the actions to pause. And, if you want to set the same setting to all your account, activate this option. In tab Messages, enter the message you want to send and you can use the suggested variables. Also, you can send the post link or send the profile card directly to your target's audience. Then, click on Add Message. Once everything is set up, click Save. Finally, in tab Activity Log, you can see all activities that got on your account.